Now the question is saying that I have to find S as a function of t. Okay, the question is saying that I have to find S as a function of t. It means I have to find an equation of S in which t should be the object. Okay, now the second thing which they are giving us over here is they are saying that ds over dt equals to 6 2t minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is another piece of information which is given that when s is differentiated with respect to t, the result is coming 6 into uh, 2t minus 1 whole square plus 1 outside the bracket. Another thing which they are giving us is that s equals to 4. S equals to 4 when t equals to 1. This is another piece of information which is given to me. So now I'm going to start by working over here. First of all, ds over dt is given. So I'm going to take that thing 6 into 2t minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is given to me. So what I'm going to do first over here, first of all, I will shift this dt on this side. Okay, this dt which is given over here, I will shift it on this side. So what will be written over here, I will be having, I'm going to write this whole thing again, 2t minus 1 whole square plus 1, and whole thing is divided by, sorry, multiplied by dt. Okay, and this d which is written over here, when I will shift it on the other side, what will happen? This d is representing differentiation. So when I will shift it over here, this d will be shifted into integration sign. So s equals to integral of the given expression with respect to t. This is my working over here. So now before integration, I'm like expanding my integration on all the brackets, minus 1 whole square integrated with respect to s, sorry, t, and then 1 will be integrated with respect to t. This is my initial working. You can just do it directly also, but I have expanded it over here. Now, when we are integrating a bracket which has a whole power, so what will we do? First of all, whatever is written outside, that will be written as it is because it's a number. After that, 6 to t minus 1, whole power will be increased by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then it will be divided by coefficient of variable, that is 2. Coefficient of t is 2, so I have written 2 over here, multiplied by new bracket, new power. So new power will be 3, right? Plus, now integrating this one, it's a constant, so constant integral is variable. So as 1 is integrated with respect to t, so I will be writing t over here, and at the end I will be writing plus c. Okay, this is my working till this point over here. So let's simplify it. S equals to 6 2t minus 1 whole cube over 6 plus t plus c. Okay, so after that, what I can do over here, this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled, and in the simplified form, I will be having S equals to 2t minus 1 whole cube plus t plus c. Okay, this is my working till this point over here, right? I think everything is clear over here. No confusion, I think. Uh, Now, what we are going to do next over here? Now, as we know that in the question, they have given us this thing. S equals to 4t, S equals to 4 and t equals to 1. This is also a piece of information which was given. So now what I'm going to do, I will take these two value and I will plot it over here. Okay, I will plot it over here. So let's see what is going to happen over here when I'm going to write it. So S equals to uh, equation was, first of all, I'm writing the equation which I have written in the last place. I am writing it on the top so we can work it easily. Plus C. Okay, now in place of S, I'm going to put 4 equals to bracket 2 into 1 minus 1 whole cube plus 1 plus C. 4 equals to, so what will happen over here? So 2 ones are 2 and 2 minus 1 will become 1 whole cube plus 1 plus C, right? Okay, I've just plotted the value of S and T and now I'm just simplifying it. So 4 equals to 1 plus 1 will become 2 plus C. So the value of C is coming 2 over here. Okay, so now what will I do? I will take this value and I will plot it over here in this equation. Okay, I will plot it over here. So what will be my final result in the given scenario? My final result will be S equals to bracket. I'm not going to put the value of S and T again, okay, because I need the equation and now C value is also found. So S equals to bracket 2t minus 1 bracket close whole cube plus t plus 2. That's your answer over